Let's do unboxing of this drone Fly Fit. It's original manufactured from China, but reproduced by remarking by JJRC and E-machines. And let's do unboxing. And there you go. Oh, how anything else? Only manuals and this controller. This is manual mode, up and down, power button, return home. This is take picture, up and down, charging USB, and this is for gimbal, for controlling camera, and at the back nothing else. And this is the Fly Fit, and this is his 3-axis gimbal camera. This and this. Let's see, this is a folding drone. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see. There it is. Stand. Okay, what else? Oh, battery. If you look at this, not missing. Battery. Let's see how this. This is his micro SD card slot inside. Let's see what else. Here is USB for charging, and this one an extra propeller, and this is a buckle for strap this bag, and see, this is for phone holder. Like this, and you put your camera here. And have here is charging dock for this battery. Let's see. See, have power, and this is how you charge. That's it. Let's see this drone. Now back to this drone only. Let's see how to. I think this one is automatic bind to this from here to here, and this one to your phone. Let's see this, how it binds. See, this is the power on button. What a sound. Oh, there's a red light there and blue light, but I think when they bind you have to on this controller also, and this is the on. See, two lights. Let's see if this one goes to green, it will bind already from here. Okay, it's green already, which means these two pair already bind. But you need phone to, because we are now in indoor flight, and you see this gimbal camera. If you look at it, what a gyro, how nice. See, the gyro is following. Let's see if we from here. See? Oh. Go down, go up, side. The gimbal is following where it is focused. Electronic gyro is very best. See? Let's see how it works. I think this one you have to first. It's already bind. But we are in indoor, we can do only manual by pressing this one, manual mode. When this one red, it is manual mode. Let's see if it is bind from here to here by doing initial starting of the propeller. You see, it's working, it's bind. Now what to do is, for the next video, I will show to you how to connect the phone to here so that you can control outside, but you need more GPS satellite signal. So that's it for now, and hopefully we can fly outside.